Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Coffee.
Huh? I haven't had my coffee yet.
Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a unboxing of the Bonaverde Berlin. This is a roast, grind, brew coffee maker. So yeah, pretty much does everything. Alright, I'm going to try to do this one-handed here. I've already got the top cut apart. First thing we find is the welcome, the quick setup guide. Set that off to the side. We've got some nice packaging. Looks all very organic and recyclable. First thing you're presented with is this big, very nice feeling cloth bag wrapped around, I'm guessing, the machine. So we'll pull that out here. Set that aside for a little bit later. And we got some more cardboard. And there. And very bottom, actually this was on the side, is looks like the packet of coffee. So there is, what does it say? 20 pouches, 900 grams, so 45 gram packets. And there's the information, used by July 3. So we can get that used up. Also in here we got an air filter and a power cord. This one's for the US. So we're good to set her up. Alright guys, let's continue to unbox here and see what we got. Alright, so power cord, easy enough. Okay. Air filter, it's got a scan code on it. There we are. There's the coffee filters. We'll look at that one a little bit later. Let's get to the main reason why we're here. The coffee maker. So inside this bag, a really nice bag by the way. We'll undo this knot here. Potentially. Alright. Open that up. There it is. There it is. It's a thing of beauty. Look at that. Alright. Pull that down. Alright. We'll tilt it back here so we can see it a little easier. Oh. Alright, so we have the roast chamber at the top, scan and control panel, and we got the brew basket, and then the carafe. It's pretty nice. A little smaller than I'm used to, but it will hold a liter of water. And more cardboard. Alright. So let's give you a quick tour of everything here. On the bottom is your your IMEI number, some information. This I think is where the light is from for letting you know what's happening. That shines down here. So let's set it back up. Alright. So on the left side of the machine is your water. So this is a smaller reservoir. Well, I guess it does hold 1,000 milliliters. A lot smaller than I'm used to seeing, but nice looking reservoir, nice and thin and slim. Fits right onto the side. A little latching mechanism going on there. Okay. In the front, we have the roast chamber. can see it's got a paddle wheel there that rotates the coffee around. It looks like it's going to be a hot air. Looks like hot air comes through that grate section, and yeah, and that's what heats the coffee. Sealed there with that silicone seal. Looks pretty nice. Alright, and there's a cog on the bottom to rotate everything. Looks like the chamber, that could be like a shaft chamber to pull the shaft out, maybe? I'm not sure. Or maybe that's the shaft section. We'll find out. Alright. Put that back in there. The next compartment down is the roast or the brew container. So there you have an overflow section, and you can see you have a valve set up so that it will only brew when, or it will only drain into the carafe when the pot is in place, which is a nice feature in some ways, but I don't like to get half roasted pots of coffee anyhow, or half extracted pots of coffee. I think it just messes up the flavor all around. But it is a nice feature in case you do forget to throw the carafe in there. Okay, and then on the right hand side we have this panel, side panel, which comes off, and this is the air collection, the air and shaft collection chamber. So here we have the air, I'm going to guess this is the air outlet, this would be the air inlet. So it looks like it comes from the front, so I would say that that is the air outlet from the roasting chamber, and then that small container would be the to dump to the grinder. Alright, so in here we have to put the air filter in here, and this comes off somehow. I'm not sure quite yet. I'm going to figure that out. And then the shaft collection is in here. Alright guys, I'm going to give this first bag of coffee a shot, and we'll let you know initial thoughts on how it works. And yeah, so subscribe to the channel and you'll be one of the first to see how this thing actually works in real life. Thanks guys. Talk to you soon.